Discover Taiwan.
Fun and festivals at Fulong Beach.
Josie and Stacy are looking at a sand sculpture.
This is so cool.
I know. Coming here was a good idea.
There are so many great beaches in Taiwan. Why do they hold the festival here?
The sand at Fulong is soft and fine. When you mix it with water, it becomes easy to shape.
Josie and Stacy find a quiet place to sit on the beach.
I hope a typhoon doesn't destroy the sculptures.
You're right.
What should we do next?
Well, why don't we rent a canoe or try surfing?
It's the perfect day for a paddle.
Josie and Stacy start walking to the canoes.
Coming here was a good idea. Visiting here was such a good plan. A trip to this place is great.
Why do they hold the festival here? Why is the festival taking place here? Why did people choose this place for this festival?